Hey, it's Nicola, and I'm gonna be showing you today how you can actually set up your Jira home for your Jira data center, and this is going to be for the Mac OS exclusively. So you're gonna head down to this site right here. You can actually navigate this by entering Jira Data Center, downloading your Google, and you're not going to be downloading the latest version because with the latest version you have to connect your database as well, so you have to go through that whole process of setting up your database, setting up your port, setting up the name of the database, and actually connecting that with your Jira, which takes some time, and I will actually do that in the different video. So I'm just gonna download this. It's gonna take me like 2 minutes. Let me pause the video. Let me get back to you when the download is finished. Alright, I'm back. Now I'm extracting the file. So I have the standalone Atlassian Jira software in here. What you want to do is you want to pull out your terminal. Let me just first clear this. And for in here, first I'm gonna go ls. I'm gonna navigate to my downloads folder. I'm gonna switch to my Atlassian, and let me just go here. All right, to make it easier, just move it. Okay, so these are the files that you have. So what happens if I go to bin and if I try to start my Jira? Okay, it's basically gonna say that Tomcat has started, which is actually your server. So I'm gonna type in localhost 8080. So I'm gonna go here, and these are the problems that you actually came out with. It's saying we can't locate your Jira home directory. Your Jira home directory has important information on how Jira works, so you need to make sure that it's set up correctly. Review our documentation for more information on setting your Jira home. Alright, so how do you tackle this issue? It's actually quite simple. So you are within this Atlassian Atlassian-Jira-software and everything else. So you want to change to Atlassian-Jira, and in here you want to change to web-inf. In here you're gonna get a bunch of folders and files, but you're gonna be focused on this specific folder called classes. I'm gonna go here, and within the classes we're gonna look for a specific file, and the specific file is gonna be called jira-application.properties. Now we can open this with nano, so I'm gonna type nano in Jira application, and it's saying, as you can see, it's saying the Jira home in here basically is empty. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to open a new terminal and just gonna look for, let's say, you can put it basically anywhere, but you don't specify the path of your Jira home of the where your application has been installed. So it's gonna be cd music, and then I'm gonna type in pwd, which actually means print working directory. So, and it's gonna give me this path right here. I'm gonna copy it in here and just gonna paste it. I'm gonna hit Control X, and I'm gonna hit the Y. Then after this, I'm gonna hit the enter, and I'm actually done. So I'm gonna go with the CD again, and I'm gonna go with cd bin. In bin, it's gonna be ./start jira.sh. Okay, so a lot of stuff are actually in here. Let me see. First of all, stop jira.sh. So I'm gonna first stop it, then I'm gonna start it again in order for the changes to take place. If you actually seen that SQL injection and stuff like that, that was something that I was searching for, the bug bounty program, and yeah, that is a completely different story. All right, let me just go here, localhost, and bam, everything has everything was set up. I can now continue, and I can install my Jira data center without any problems. It's gonna ask me to generate my license and everything, so I'm not gonna be doing that for now. So yeah, that is how you actually install that is how you set up your Jira home. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.